Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with MuchDutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Fierljeppen, the Frisian sport to jump over a canal with a long pole. This is how we say Fierljeppen. Fierljeppen. There is a light emphasis on the first syllable. Fierljeppen. FIERL-JEP-PEN. As you can hear, the L is barely audible. There are a lot of people that do not pronounce the L at all, so it will become Fierljeppen, which is totally acceptable as well. Fierljeppen. The practice of Fierljeppen was first mentioned in the 15th century. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. And if there are any words you need help pronouncing in Dutch, just let us know in the comments, and we will get that word on MuchDutch as soon as possible. Tot ziens!